This is a tissue engineering lab, and we've spent the last 3 years developing a breakthrough technology which allows us to keep human fat alive outside of the body. This allows us to do all sorts of studies about obesity and diabetes and cancer that until now no one has been able to do. We were seeing something that no one else had ever seen before. It was honestly an incredible moment. So the major breakthrough is that we can keep human fat alive in a petri dish for up to 8 weeks. This allows us to screen all sorts of anti-obesity medications, new ones that haven't been able to be tested in the past. We can look at interactions between cancer and fat cells, because we now know that obesity is a major risk factor for cancer. And we can also investigate the fundamental physiology of adipose tissue, of human fat. We have a lot of experience working with a really incredible piece of technology called thermoresponsive substrates. In simpler terms, this means that when we change the temperature of a surface, it behaves differently as it reacts with cells. And so using this technology, we were able to create sandwiches of human fat, which was the key to making the breakthrough that we have. So the sandwich has 3 layers. The two bread layers are made of cells that support fat tissue. And in between the 2 layers of bread, we actually have human fat that we remove from patients who are undergoing surgery. They donate the tissue to us. Because fat tends to float, being able to anchor the fat between 2 pieces of bread, so to speak, was really the critical breakthrough. So the way we do that is we grow the bread layers on these very advanced thermoresponsive substrates. These are the ones that change their behavior as the temperature changes. And what those surfaces allow us to release those cells, which otherwise would be very difficult to do. And using that, we're able to create the sandwiches. So we envision the primary applications to be, number 1, investigating the interactions between fat cells and cancer cells for human diseases specifically. And then number 2, to screen medications that can be used to prevent and treat obesity. Obesity is one of the biggest health diseases in the world. Approximately 70% of Americans are either overweight or obese. And here in Louisiana, we actually have the 2nd highest rate of obesity in the country. So, a lot of times the patients get blamed. People think that it's just a matter of overeating or being sedentary. But the truth is, there's a lot that we don't know about fat. And every year, there are dozens of new discoveries. And with this technology, we're going to be able to confirm or identify many new discoveries and hopefully find good treatments for obesity. This is just one of the many innovative projects that we have going on in the Division of Plastic Surgery at LSU. Patients who come to see us for their surgeries, they get the absolute best in care, but they also get a chance to really participate in a lot of groundbreaking research if that's something they're interested in.